Elia.
Whoa. Ophelia, tell me what we're having for Thanksgiving.
Big baby turkey.
And what else?
What did you make last night?
What did you make with Grandma?
Pumpkin pie.
Look up at the camera.
Pumpkin pie.
And what else?
And then apple pie.
And did you help? What did you help Aunt Karen make?
Stuffing for the turkey.
Yeah. Where are we gonna eat it?
At the clubhouse.
And what's the holiday? What are we celebrating?
Thanksgiving.
What is Thanksgiving?
It's a place where we give thanks.
Oh, for what?
What are you thankful
For
for?
people.
Oh, that's a good thing to be thankful
To
for.
give thanks. You can even give thanks cards.
You
You
can.
can give thanks cards. Yep. What are you gonna be thankful for?
My God.
God's a good thing to be thankful for. Anything else?
My family.
Who's in your family?
Mama, Mom, me, and Dad.
What about the rest of us? Are we your family?
You guys, yeah.
Yeah. Who's you guys? Who's the rest of us?
Karen and Amir, Grandpa, Grandma,
What about your other aunts and uncles?
and Uncle Kevin,
Uncle Kevin. What about Aunt Amy?
and Aunt Amy,
And
Cousin Sharon,
Uncle Steve?
and Uncle Steve,
And Aunt Susan?
and Aunt Susan.
And Grandpa and Grandma.
Yeah.
I already said Grandma and
Oh, Grandma Barbara.
Grandma Barb and Grandpa Roger,
That-
and dogs
And dogs.
and puppies.
Are you gonna get a puppy? I heard you like kitties.
Do you like kitties or puppies or both?
I like both.
Both of them?
Puppies are so cuties.
They are. What would you name a puppy if you got one?
Case.
Casey? That's a good name for a puppy.
If I got a kitty, I would name her Whiskers.
I forgot about her last name.
Oh no.